Yesterday was my birthday. Lots of fidgets. The crows squawking in the background. I got all these snappers. Probably my favorite out of all of them. Apple, pear, turtle, frog, owl, and a poop. This octopus spinner dimple. These mini monkey noodles. Very thin. Got these emojis. This one is definitely my favorite. I have never seen this one before. These acupressure rings. Originally had 5, but I gave my mom one because she really likes them. And I got these really satisfying spiky balls. But it's really satisfying. Marble mesh. Next I got all these inner dimples. Textured monkey noodle. These 2 really cute mini puppets. This. You probably don't know what this is. From Harry Potter. Harry Potter is a series of movies of witchcraft and wizardry, and there's a bunch of witches, and I wouldn't recommend them for kids under the age of about 10 maybe, because they're pretty scary. So yeah. Water puppets, which I absolutely love. I got these 2 puppets. A background noise, not the crows. I live in kind of a city, so there's a bunch of trucks and cars and stuff. For watching, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.